Hey, it's Ethlie. So today's simple trick on how to get the most out of your technology is how you print an email directly off your phone. This came up back when the coronavirus inoculations were limited to people who were like 100 or 70 and over. I was helping a friend get her vaccination appointment, and they would send her a confirmation email, and it would constantly slide down the queue of emails, and she would not have it handy as she needed it. So I said, well, why don't we just print it? And she didn't know that you could print directly off an email. So here, let me show you how you would do that. You would open the email, and then you would go down to where you normally just like reply to the email. And instead of replying, you scroll down to print, and it will find the nearest Wi-Fi printer, which is probably your own printer at home, as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi channel. Or if you're at, I don't know, your kid's house or your friend's house or your work, anywhere that's got a Wi-Fi enabled printer, which is most of them these days, and you're hooked up to the same Wi-Fi network, your phone will find it. So you just tell it to print, and ta-da, there you have whatever was the email now printed out on a piece of paper where you can keep it in your files. Makes life easy, especially if you're someone who likes to have a paper trail, as I know I do. And certainly my friend was grateful for it when she went and got her COVID vaccine. Have a brilliant day, everybody. Holler at me if you need any information, and you can always find me on Twitter at Ethlie or Instagram at EthlieAnn. And if you're not familiar with Twitter and Instagram, well, we'll just have to do a YouTube video about that. Bye.